I sorted out the carbs, and the pilot jets on both sides had the upper holes blocked so it wouldn't idle, and also the main jet accelerator pump on one side was sticking, so that was causing a bit of a flood of gas during startup and takeoff from the line. So now let's hear the idle. I've got it turned down really low because I was tuning it to get the beat right. Oil temperature is 200. It's just out on the highway a bit. I'm going to adjust this valve here, or double check it. Oil pressure light comes on because it's idling too low. Seems to be enough there. And did 1,000 miles in the last 6 days. Also adjusted the headset after the long ride. This nut and then the old style of clamp on the bottom, the split nut or the split washer kind of thing. So that's really hard to tighten up, but I got it done. And it's handling and braking at high speed now, has no shudder in the front at all. Missing a little bit of a beat there.